Good afternoon, guys. I hope all is well. These are the two losses that I unfortunately took in the markets today, trading SNP500. Firstly, both of them were inversion retests, as you can see. So on this first one here, this high had swept these two highs and taken internal liquidity from here. We had a higher time frame fair value gap here, as well as a 200-day EMA here. Once I saw a strong close coming down, I set a limit order at 50% and I was targeting my 2R. Now what I should have done is, because the market kept chopping about here and rejecting, I should have gone break even or just cut the trade there in profit. However, because I backed myself and how valid it was, I kept my risk on and looked to capture the move short. Unfortunately today it didn't happen and it's just a valid little loss. So I risked 25 to make 50 and unfortunately I lost 25, but again it's part of the game. Well, it wasn't 25, spread got me out down here, so about 23, but you know. And this one here I want to talk about because this was actually very, very unfortunate and quite annoying. So I actually had a limit order set here, about here. Sorry, it was here on this level. You had the inversion here. You had clear targets above and higher up. Now, the reason why this has annoyed me was because price hit my limit order but didn't tap me into the trade. Now, I expect that's because of spread and the volatility around this news here, as you can see, which meant that I wasn't tagged in. So essentially, price was here, but spread was still up here, sort of thing. So I didn't get tagged in. Otherwise, that would have been my 2R win to recover this loss back. However, it's fine. You can't control it. It's what it is. This inversion here, oh, bloody hell, look at that for a market. Same again here. What we had, inversion here. I set a limit order on the fair value gap retest. Price was doing well, but then took me out about here, but slippage, of course. The reason why I did this was because we swept the range high here. We had higher time frame reactions here and sweeps of liquidity here, 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 and here. Just unfortunate that price decided to, as you can see, absolutely motor to the upside. But in trading, these are things that we physically can't control. So it's just very unfortunate they didn't play out. However, it's part of the game. I risked well. As you can see, the two trades reflect my account. If we go to the order history and look at the field ones, as you can see, they're both here. Limit orders set. Sorry, let me scroll down to today. What's today? 2nd of April. Here, as you can see, limit orders were set, and it's just unfortunate that both trades lost. But again, I haven't blown my account. I stuck to my rules, and it is what it is. Just little things to work on, and I could have avoided this loss in particular. But again, it's perfectly fine. We'll just go on to the next trade. I hope you guys took some good trades today, and if you won, well done. If you lost, I hope you managed your risk well. And yeah, on to tomorrow. See what that produces. Thank you very much.